Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 13th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. All the action was fairly local from New Zealand, where we saw the RBNZ hand out its official cash rate. Now, the interest rate remained unchanged at 1%, but it was the hawkish nature of the monetary statement that followed that investors noted and jumped on aboard as the Kiwi dollar soared around about 70 odd pips at the release and also for the session. Kiwi dollar is now currently trading at 64.65. That was pretty much all in terms of data that came out yesterday. So let us now move on to our chart of the day. Incidentally, that Euro USD chart that we were tracking over the last 2 days, yesterday's candle went down quite hard and it spoiled the setup for us, so we didn't end up getting the setup and no trade on that one for us. So what I have found this morning, and it was actually quite difficult to find anything of real interest, but this was the best thing that I could see. It's the Aussie yen on a 4-hour time frame, and I note that we can see a converging triangle starting to happen, and normally they go this way until they break in one direction or the other. So as we approach this top side, I don't feel comfortable enough there, and in any case I haven't got a setup there. So let's see if we pushes up a little bit, gives us some kind of a reversal pattern in the hot zone there, and then I would be happy to take it back down towards this boundary as well. Always remember, as long as I've got enough room for my profit targets before I hit this line, then that would still satisfy what I'm looking for. Now, don't forget, this one's a 4-hour time frame, so we could get the setup in the next 2 candles, so that could be in 8 hours time. So just keep an eye on it. Aussie yen 4-hour time frame is our chart of the day this morning. Alright, what's on the calendar for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 11 a.m. locally from Australia, RBA Governor Lowe is due to speak, and also at the same time from Canada, the Bank of Canada Governor Polotz is due to speak as well. The only other bit of data happens after midnight at 12:30 from the US. It's the CPI and the core CPI numbers which are due out. That pretty much wraps up the session this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.